Most seniors think this is just a chatting app. But it can actually write for you, talk with you, and even create images in seconds. Imagine sending messages, getting help, or creating pictures, without any technical skills. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the ChatGPT app step by step. Even if you've never used it before. Don't worry, this guide is simple, slow, and beginner-friendly. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Just tap the icon. And you'll see the main screen where everything happens. This is where you can ask questions, type messages, or use your voice. You can type anything you want. Just like you're talking to a person. For example, you can write a message to my doctor about a headache. And within seconds, it creates a complete message for you. No need to think too much or worry about wording. If typing feels difficult, don't worry. You can also use your voice. Just tap the microphone button. And speak naturally, like this, plan a healthy diet for me. It listens carefully. And gives you a full, helpful answer instantly. You can even ask it to create images. Just type something like, create a beautiful sunset image. And in seconds, it generates a picture for you. It's like having your own artist in your phone. You can use ChatGPT for many everyday tasks. Need a recipe? Just ask. Want a daily routine? It can help. Need to write a message? Done in seconds. From health tips to reminders to simple guidance. It's like a helpful assistant always with you. One important tip. Never share personal information. Like your passwords, bank details, or private data. Always stay safe while using any app. If this video helped you, share it with your parents or grandparents. It could make their life much easier. And don't forget to subscribe for simple and easy tech guides made just for seniors.